Explore the diverse and microscopic organisms, bacteria and protists, crucial to ecosystems with unique structures, behaviors, and adaptations. A gateway to unseen life forms. Despite simple structures, bacteria showcase incredible metabolic diversity, classified as autotrophs creating food or heterotrophs relying on organic matter. Archaebacteria thrive in extreme habitats, like hot springs and salty areas, with unique cell walls enabling survival in harsh conditions, aiding methane, biogas, production. Eubacteria exhibit rigid cell walls, immense diversity, and motility via flagella, playing vital roles across varied ecosystems. Photosynthetic cyanobacteria exist in diverse forms, impact water bodies by forming blooms, and fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized heterocyst cells. Nostoc forms gelatinous colonies, notable for nitrogen fixation in heterocysts, crucial for enhancing soil fertility. These bacteria generate energy by oxidizing inorganic substances, significantly contributing to nutrient recycling for ecosystem balance. Heterotrophic bacteria decompose organic matter, aid GERD and antibiotic production, and fix nitrogen but can also be pathogenic. Bacteria cause diseases like cholera and typhoid in humans and pathogens like citrus canker impacting plants. Bacteria reproduce by binary fission, spore formation during stress, or primitively transfer DNA in sexual modes. Mycoplasma, the smallest living cells, survive anaerobically and are pathogenic in plants and animals due to their lack of a cell wall. Protista, single-celled eukaryotes, primarily aquatic, include diverse groups like chrysophytes and protozoans, blending plant and animal-like features. Protists possess a defined nucleus, move with flagella or cilia, and reproduce through fusion or zygote formation, showcasing immense biological flexibility. Living in water, diatoms, with silica cell walls, contribute significantly as primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. Diatoms' indestructible walls create diatomaceous earth, used for polishing and filtration, and are essential producers for oceanic life. Colorful dinoflagellates, with cellulose plate walls and flagella, are marine photosynthetic organisms vital to aquatic life balance. The rapid growth of red dinoflagellates causes red tides, releasing toxins that greatly impact marine ecosystems. Freshwater euglenoids adapt between photosynthesis and heterotrophy due to their protein-rich pellicle-covered bodies and dual flagella. Saprophytic slime molds feed on decaying matter, forming plasmodium in favorable conditions and resilient spores during adversity. Protozoans, heterotrophic protists, include amoeboid, ciliate, flagellated, and sporozoans, bridging primitive animalistic traits and environmental roles.